Good morning, everyone. As promised, me again. I'm getting ready to do my herbs. Aren't those beautiful? My kitchen, guys, is so aromatic right now. We have basil, like the Italian basil. I have some lavender. I have some tarragon. Here's more basil leaves. And this is my holy basil. It just smells like heaven in here. I can't get over how aromatic herbs are when you cut them out of the garden fresh and bring them in, and it's in a concentrated area and it just smells so heavenly in here. So what am I going to do? I'm getting ready to freeze dry these. I've got the freeze dryer kicking on right now. It's going to take about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to pop these in. I don't know how long it's going to take, but the great thing about that Harvest Right freeze dryer is it's automatic pretty much. It knows when it's time. Now there are times that we have to extend the time, but for the most part it does pretty good on its own on measuring the time and the dehydrating portion, or the drying portion of it, and the freeze drying. So anyway, that's going to get going. I'll show you here in just a sec. I'm going to load it up, and then we will check back. And she's off. So guys, spices of life. Spices, medicinal herbs. Can't wait to see how these do. I expect that they'll probably be ready sometime tomorrow. So I'll do part 2 to this video. I'm going to go ahead and put the Harvest Right link down in the description. For those of you that are interested, I'm getting lots of comments and I'm getting lots of people that are interested. Right now, Harvest Right has $400 off, and if you go to their website, you can register for a free Harvest Right, or a free Harvest Right freeze dryer. But anyway, stay tuned for part 2 of this video. Thank you all for watching. We have more videos coming up. Take care, God bless, and we'll see you soon.